What
can
the?
see it.
Looks like a bell.
It's giant. The bell may toll.
That's weird.
What's in there?
Oh,
I don't
Do you see that, Gabriel?
wow.
It looks like
like
the
a
lightning's coming from it.
What the hell is going on? Mm.
It looks like a ship.
I'm gonna send it to
A
what's his
visible
name.
ship.
Record another one. I'm gonna send it to what's his name.
What the fuck?
Doesn't look right.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Oh, Lisa, look.
Let's see.
Watch. See that?
wow.
You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
That looks
That's
Hell
big as
is
fuck.
that? I know.
crazy.
Doesn't look right.
Go get Athena
Why?
so she can see this.
It's a dog.
That literally looks like if you
Oh my
draw
God.
a spaceship and just make it gigantic in the sky.
Looks like a giant bell,
Looks like
right?
the spaceship on my leg. What the fuck? You saw that?
Mm-hmm. What's going on here?
That's what it's centered around. That it's mainly,
It's all around it.
I wonder what's coming.
and it wasn't there. It's just
You didn't see
formed.
the... Didn't I show you yesterday the statement from Pentagon?
Mm-hmm. About the.
Possible mothership?
I don't believe it.
Oh, now I think I might.
Oh yeah, well that kind of does look like one, doesn't
Yeah,
it? It
it
does kind of
does.
look like one, right?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, what is that storm
They've
bringing?
been saying there's a lot
That
of
looks
Well,
like a
that's
planet.
normal.
That looks like a planet. Like Saturn. Saw that?
Well, yeah, I guess we're gonna.
You recording right? I'm gonna stop.
the mushroom.